Hey guys, Sean's here. What's going on? Welcome back to another video. So I just wanted to make this quick update video to talk about something really cool. We're actually giving away a free training course on Aversity that you can access it right now by clicking the link in the description. So I just want to take a moment to explain about this free training course and explain what is this about exactly. So this free training course is about a strategy that I use mainly to promote affiliate products, and this is something you should definitely be using in your own strategy, in your own campaigns. I've talked about this before, but this is what we call the Tripwire Strategy, meaning that we build a small front product, and then what we do, we build a buyer list using that product, and then promote other products to those buyer lists. So it's a really cool strategy. It's a really cool free course. It's something that we really usually don't do. If you know us, if you know the company, you know that we don't give away free courses, and this is a very limited thing that we're doing, so you should definitely check it out. Now, another cool thing with this course is that you're going to be able to access the Aversity community as well as the training program, and also the Aversity high ticket affiliate program. So this way you can actually earn high ticket commissions as well if you want to just promote Aversity products. So it's a really cool course. You should definitely check it out. It's about 10 or 11 videos, and there's a lot of bonuses in there as well. You're gonna love it. I'm sure you're gonna get a ton of value from it. So I'm gonna leave a link for you guys in the description. I just wanted to make this quick update. I think right now I have 2 more videos scheduled, which are gonna come out in the next couple of days. So stay tuned. I'm making more videos. Just wanted to give away this really cool course for you guys, so we get the ball rolling. All right. So click that link in the description. That's gonna take you to the registration page. You can just sign up the course and just access it inside Aversity, and I'll see you in future videos.